Hello guys, welcome to my Facebook page. So guys, this morning or afternoon I did for Ozalla community. So for those who don't know Ozalla community, if you reach Egba Junction, that's Auchi bypass. If you reach Egba Junction, from that place you'll take back where therefore they do those people, well, that one I know as Echo, that Ozalla, 9 be this. So this land where they are now 1 by 2. We want to sell the land, okay? So Salah show them the plot of the land. If you see here now, this is the bottom of the land, you go here, okay? Yeah, we get there. So from that place, okay, let them scan. Good. So just show them. You see, I say we don't clear the plot of land, eh? So now 1 by 2, they for sale. This land, so I know say some people say, this place not be bush. My brother, Salas made a see me now talk. You see this land, so now 1 by 2, we want sell land. If you dey interested, say you want buy, you'll see my number for the screen. Just chat me for WhatsApp, Then you tell me say this land wey dey for Ozalla community for that Egba road, Before Egba, now you go form Manye, now you go enter this community. So my people, this land, now 2.5. Now one seller 1 by 2, 2.5 million. So if you dey interested, now see I say cheap now. So I know I make you come the price.